is the meaning of communion of saints?
How are these three states of the church related to one another?
What is the meaning of saints?
What are the three churches?
Why do Catholics give respect to Mother and Saints? It is clear in sacred scripture that the saints in heaven will intercede for us before the throne of Christ if they are petitioned in prayer. This is based on the Revelation 8, verse 3 to 4. And it is clear in the records of primitive Christianity that the first Christians eagerly sought in intercession. Wrote by Saint John Chrysostom in the 4th century, when thou perceives that Christ is chastening thee, fly not to his enemies, but to his friends, the martyrs, the saints, and those who were pleasing to him, and who have great power. If the saints have such power with God, how much more his own mother?
Hi everyone, I am Brother Russell Bakita. A pleasant afternoon to everyone. And our topic is all about Communion of Saints. And now let's start. Communion of Saints means a fellowship between Christians, living and dead.
The Communion of Saints also means a Catholic teaching about how the believers, our one church, because we share the same faith, celebrates the same sacrament, enjoy spiritual gifts, and live in charity. The Communion of Saints also teach us how we, the living, are one with the Christians who have gone ahead on us. Those who may be enjoying the beatific vision already, and those who are in the state of purification. This second aspect is the focus of our catechesis today.
Saints refers to all Christians who are made holy by baptism.
The first letter of Paul to the Corinthians, confirmed by the vision of Saint John in the book of Revelation. Each of us contributes to the good of all, and shares in the welfare of all, most especially through prayers and good works. For just as the body is one, it has many members, and all the members of the body, through many, are one body. So it is with Christ. For in one Spirit, we are all baptized into one body, slaves or free, and all we are made to drink of the one Spirit. This is based on the Corinthians 1:12, verse 12 to 13.
This communion lights three states of the church. The three churches are Church Militant, comprises the Christians who are still living. Church Triumphant comprises the one who may now be enjoying the glory of heaven. Church Penitent comprises the ones who are in the state of purification. These churches are related to one another through prayer. Based on the Revelation 5 verse 8 to 9, each holding a harp and golden bowls full of incense, which are the prayers of the saints, and they sang a new song.
Now, let's have a short recap about Communion of Saints. By Communion of Saints, the Catholics give respect to Mother and Saints. Saints means refer to all Christians who are made holy by baptism, while Communion of Saints means a fellowship between Christians living and dead. These have three states of the Church: the Church Militant, the Church Triumphant, and the Church Penitent. They are related to one another through prayer.
Again, I am Brother Russell Bakita. Thank you for watching.